Hey Ryan, I wanted to respond by video because it was easier to show you. So you had asked about knowing what a student's beginning of their account is. It's typically the first 17 letters of their first and last name. So oftentimes students that have longer names will have truncated names. Teachers have access to Roster Manager now. So from your start.hcps.org screen in school, you will see this icon, Roster Manager. You're going to log in to Roster Manager using your credentials, so first 3 of your first name up to the first 7 of your last name and your password. I can see all of the schools, so mine is going to look a little different than yours, but I can go to Aberdeen Middle School and I can select 7th grade and apply grade filter. And in this far right column here, I'm able to see all of the user names, the network IDs of my students. So, for example, Caden has a 1 at the end of his name because there's another Caden in the county, and there's some other names that look like they may be truncated because they're longer than 17 characters. Remember that a student's account email is going to be their network ID at student.hcps.org. I hope this helped.